For this low-waste lip balm, you will need shea butter, beeswax, almond oil, mica powder, but this is optional, cardboard lip balm tubes, and an essential oil of your choice. Set up a double boiler on a medium heat. Add 2 grams of beeswax. Add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Add 1 teaspoon of shea butter. Stir until dissolved. If using, add the mica powder. Stir until it is evenly distributed. Add 3 drops of your favourite essential oil. Pour into your lip balm tubes. Leave to solidify for an hour. And there you have it, an all-natural, eco-friendly lip balm.